everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. Very quickly now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, then just take a moment to subscribe and also click that little bell icon so that you can keep up to date with all of my crochet tutorials. Now this one is obviously just a really short video because the tutorial that I released last weekend, I had so many people messaging me on Instagram just to say would it work in a DK yarn, or because I used chunky yarn in the tutorial. So I just wanted to show you the one that I'm actually making now because this one is using DK, and so I wanted to show you what it would look like because I know there's nothing worse than wanting to make a blanket and then realising it doesn't look quite so good in a different type of yarn. So this is obviously a variegated yarn as well, so it's working up really nicely with these beautiful stripes. But I just wanted to show you that even though it's a DK yarn and not chunky like the tutorial that I did, it still works really beautifully in the pattern and you still get so much texture. I'm hoping that you can see that. It really is the squishiest, softest, fluffiest blanket that I think I've made to date. These stitches really do stand out and it looks absolutely beautiful. So for anyone that is wondering about this specific yarn, this is the Bernat Softee Baby Stripes yarn and this shade is called Angelic Stripe. I'm hoping that it's focusing. There we go. So this is the Angelic Stripe Bernat Softee Baby Stripes, just for anyone that wanted to know. And it's this beautiful pastel shades which are working up really nicely in these stripes. So obviously I'm going to leave a link in the description box to the tutorial so that you can make your very own one of these blankets, but I just wanted you to see because I had so many people asking, this is what it will look like in DK yarn and also a variegated yarn like this as well. So it is super squishy, even it almost feels like you've used a chunky yarn just because it's so thick, because obviously with it being reversible you get the definition on both sides. Hoping you can see that there. And so it really does feel so super soft and super duper squishy. So that's it for this video. It was literally just to show you how it looked in DK, and I will see you again for a normal tutorial really soon. But thanks as always for watching, and bye for now.